amazing views from the flat roof of your bungalow. This property sits on a 50 by 100 plot of land. It is a 3-bedroom bungalow with a flat roof. It is located in Kikuyu, Kenya. Kikuyu is just 30 minutes away from Nairobi CBD, 20-some minutes away from Nairobi Westlands, and also you have ease of access to other places. Like you're gonna be less than 40 minutes away from Karen, less than 40 minutes away from Mombasa Road through the Southern Bypass. This is a very prime property, currently going for 8 million Kenya shillings, or approximately 70k US dollars. Now we are inside the living room. Look at how spacious it is. Look at your amazing corner window. Look at the fixtures in the house. Look at the green environment. Comment down below. What do you think about this property? Look at the amazing moonlights. Now let's move to the kitchen. You are welcomed by these amazing pendant lights hanging next to your smoke extractor. As you can see, you have an amazing space there for you to prepare your meals from. The amazing counters, marble top, the double sink. That corner you have part of your cabinetry to the wall, and of course there's lots of storage beneath your sinks, and also the gypsum cabinet there. And then here you have your appliances, oven, microwave, all pre-installed, meaning you buy them with the property. What do you think about this kitchen? And of course, here at the corner, you have your pantry where you can store your things. Additional storage for you in the kitchen. And of course, that way it goes outside. We're gonna go outside at the end of this video for you to see the flat roof. Now let's go towards the bedroom side. You are welcomed by this broken vanity, which is the common washing area for people in the living room, and also those who want to use the powder room basically. And of course, a mirror. This here is your toilet, the common toilet. But the interesting thing is that in this house, all the rooms are ensuite. So this is just a powder room for guests mainly, because within the room you have each of the 3 rooms has a toilet and bathroom. That's how amazing the property is. So we've got into one of the rooms, and as you can see, lots of natural light getting into the bedroom. That complemented with the amazing finishing of the closets, which has an amazing texture and wood utilized. And then this side is your toilet and bathroom, tiled up well, right? What do you think about this property, guys? It is in a peaceful environment. What I love about it is the environment, and the amazing thing is that despite it being on a 50 by 100, there is room for you to expand. In case you want to get more property, maybe decide you want a quarter an acre, there is room to expand, because there are neighbors who you can talk to and they sell you that space adjacent to your property. And right here to my right is the second room. Of course, the window has been blocked because here there was some storage of some items, but all those can easily be removed and cleaned up. Paint Richard done as soon as you buy this property. Guys, what do you think about this property? I'd really like to hear your thoughts in the comment section down below. Do you think it is value for money? Now let's go to the master bedroom. In the master bedroom, you are welcomed by 3 windows. That's how amazing the master bedroom is. You are welcomed by these 3 windows, and of course, this massive closet for you to be able to store your items in sufficient space. And I love the consistency of the tiles, as you can see throughout the house. Now let's check the master bedroom bathroom. Upon opening, you'll be greeted by this amazing broken vanity and amazing ceramic sink. Take a look at it, guys. What do you think about this? I love the design, and of course on the wall also there's fixtures like a towel ring there and an additional fixture for you to put your item, whether it's shampoo, whether it's the body wash, you name it. And then this side there is your shower head, and at the corner that little window to let in the light even in the shower. And now post here, I'm going to take you outside. You see the stairways to the flat rooftop where you can be chilling, or even could decide you'd want to extend that space. Let's go. Here we are. This is your stair up to the flat rooftop. What do you think, guys? Comment down below. Do you love the environment? Let me show you the flat rooftop for you to enjoy. In case you're on this property, reach out to me. My contact is down below. I'll link you up with the owner. You get the best of deal, whether it is just this property or even the land adjacent to this property. Cheers.